Hello everyone, back again with a short video because this week I went out to get some drone footage of a beautiful sunset and I managed to break one of my propellers. But we'll use this opportunity to show you how to change DJI drone propellers. There's only one thing you need to keep in mind before we get started. DJI drone propeller packs come with two types of propellers, one with marks and the others without marks. When changing your propeller, obviously you need to change the unmarked ones with unmarked ones and the marked ones with, you guessed it, marked ones. So let's get started. It's a fairly straightforward process. You just need to press your broken propeller to unlock it and twist it. Then you do the same thing to lock in your new propeller. And that's it. That's basically how you change a DJI drone propeller in under a minute. Now, do not forget that not all DJI propellers are interchangeable, so make sure to get a propeller that's made for your own specific drone. If this is your first time discovering this channel, do not forget to subscribe and like if you found it useful. Make sure to check out my other videos. This has been it for me. I'll see you again in the next video.